guys, welcome to my channel What's Up in My Kitchen. So fresh from the morning, it's going to be the full day vlog till night. So now I am harvesting few mint leaves from my balcony to add in the vermicelli. So before going for the breakfast routine, I have come to my balcony to water the plants which I have. So it gives always a fresh feel when we visit our plants, the tiny tots which we are bringing them up. So it's so humble and a pleasant mood whenever I come to see them. So with this, I have also planned to plant few more plants. So in upcoming vlogs, I could show you that too. So now after visiting these guys, I have turned up to my kitchen to make biryani egg vermicelli. So I have roasted the vermicelli and kept it aside, and this side I have added 2 onions and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste once it gets fried. So once the ginger garlic paste leaves out the raw smell, add the chili powder as per your taste. As soon as you add the chili powder, add 2 tablespoons of curd, and this quantity is for 2 packets, 250 grams of vermicelli each, so 500 grams of vermicelli. So I have added the fresh mint here, and once you add it, add the required salt to bring the tomatoes mushy. So once it is done, we have to add 2 glasses of water, and approximately for 500 grams of vermicelli, I am adding 750 ml of water. So once it comes to the boil, here I am adding the eggs. As per your requirement, you can add more or you can minimize the quantity. So here I have added the eggs, and again I am going to cover this with the lid so that the eggs are well cooked. So after a few minutes, I am seeing here the eggs are properly cooked, and this time I am adding the roasted vermicelli into the curry. So here the water consistency has to be checked properly. When you add the vermicelli, it has to be tightly packed. So that would be the proper consistency of water, so that your vermicelli not be overcooked. So after you do this, add a tablespoon of ghee and cover the lid and allow it to cook for only 2 minutes, guys. Only 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, just flip it over so all the masalas are getting along with each other. Then again cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 2 more minutes, and again not exceeding the 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. So now after 2 minutes, you can see it is almost done, and now I am switching off the flame and covering the lid again, and I am not going to disturb it for 2 to 3 minutes. So after that, you can see how the vermicelli is perfectly cooked. So now you can see that it is done and there is no water stagnating in that, and you can see how it is coming, leaving the vermicellis out, and it is not sticky at all. So now it's time to serve, and children are so hungry, and it's one of our favorite dish. Do try out this dish and let me know how it has come. Even you can add mutton chops or veggies according to your wish. You can find out in the description box for detailed link.
உன் பேர் என்ன? ஏன் படிக்கலையா நீங்க? ஏன் படிக்கல? எதுக்கு நிறுத்திட்டாங்க? ஆதார் கார்டு இல்லை நிறுத்திட்டாங்களா? அம்மா அப்பா எங்க இருக்காங்க? பக்கடி யூனிஸ் சொல்லு. என்ன வேலை செய்றாங்க? அப்படியா? சரி. சாப்பிட்டீங்களா? சரி. ஏதாவது சாப்பிட்றீங்களா? ஏதாவது சாப்பிட்றீங்களா? சிந்தா யூசுப் ये गुड़िया अंदर उठा दो. அது நீங்க தான் விளையாடணும் என்ன, அதை தூக்கி போடக்கூடாது சரியா? ஸ்கூலுக்கு சேர்த்து விட்டா படிப்பீங்களா? சேர்த்து விடவா அக்கா? சேர்த்து விடவாடா? அம்மா அடிப்பாங்களா? ஏன் படிக்க போனா அடிப்பாங்களா? ஏண்டா ஏண்டா? சரி, ஃபுல் டே நீங்க இதை தான் பொறுக்கிட்டு இருப்பீங்களா? ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகணும்னு தோணலையா உங்களுக்கு? படிக்கணும்னு ஆசை இல்லையா?
It's too disheartening to see this kind of children, and I think the social workers should give more attention to these type of children and make them educated. Here I really have experience the lesson which I teach for class 12, the stories of lost childhood, written by Anis Jung. I could see it lively today in my home. Guys, I think that we should come forward to help such children and donate how much as we can to them. And now we here have turned up to sow the fenugreek seeds to have some the fenugreek greens in our curry. So usually I sow these seeds, and we freshly have it from our balcony. So twice in a month we sow these seeds and get it fresh and add in our cooking. So a good feel whenever we harvest such small things which we can bring it very easily. So the fenugreek is really very good for health, and you need not to have a big pot for this, and even in the small containers you can grow these very easily. So make a try and let me know how many of you enjoy doing this. And I also prefer my children involving in such activities, so they take care of the plants very well, even I am unable to. So now that's the time for lunch, and I have not covered all the recipes of today, and I am just sharing the chicken with you. That's a half kg chicken, and along with that going ginger garlic paste, zira powder 1 teaspoon, and now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper, required salt, and along with this add 2 tablespoons of curd. So curd gives a good flavor, and it's a very simple recipe and different too. Add the onions into it, 2 sliced onions, and 2 sliced tomatoes, and give it a proper crush. So mix it well and let the masalas come together nicely. Now in a cooker I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oils get heated up, I am adding the onions, 1 big slitted onions into it, and now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So already we have added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in marination, and now I am adding here. So the marinated one need not to kept for so long. Even within 10 minutes we can start making the curry. So once the oil is fried well, add the mixed spices along with the marinated chicken into it. So give it a proper mix and allow it to leave the water and we can leave it for 2 minutes. So as you can see now, the water is released in the chicken, and now adding bit of salt and keeping the cooker closed. So once the cooker leave the whistles, I could see my chicken is properly cooked, and the paste which I have added here is coconut and cashew paste, and once it is done, that's it. Now our lunch is ready. Now as Yunus and Yusuf are leaving to their grandparents' home, packing all their dress into a bag so that children can easily access whatever they want. So keeping all the things segregated, and the important thing is the brushes which they really need of. And not only the brush, now the mandatory thing has become the gadgets for the online classes. So packing the laptop as well as the charger, mobile, whatever they need for their classes, everything I have kept ready so they can carry along. So even children are so busy in packing their books, no stationery, whatever they need, so easily they can attend all the classes from wherever they are. So just giving them a look and following up and reminding them for all the things, so they are so eagerly waiting to move. As Yunus is bit crazy about his drawing, whenever he goes and wherever he goes, he carries all the colors as well as his drawing notebook along with him. So he is making sure that all the things are readily kept so that he don't miss anything over there. So he has packed everything in a bag, a small bag of him, and he is keeping all the things set inside. So that's all guys, it's time for them to leave as well as it's time for me to end off the vlog, and I hope you all would have enjoyed this vlog, a day in my life vlog, and upcoming videos would be little bit interesting for you. So stay in touch, do subscribe, share and hit the like button if you really like my efforts. So waving off to my children as well as to my subscribers. So if you are watching my video for the first time, so do subscribe and support my efforts. See you all in the yet another vlog with some more interesting things. Thank you guys for watching, and please share my channel with your friends as well as with your relatives. So take care. Bye bye.